Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share your Prime account or Amazon Prime account. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first you will need just to create an account on Amazon Prime. So basically you will need just to enter with your web browser to primevideo.com, and then you will need just to go to your account. And basically if you didn't like already signed up, you will need just to create your account and add your credentials or your payments method, and then you will start like using the Prime account as follow. So basically now we will need just to start creating your profile so we can be able to share our account. So basically if we click on our profile picture here, you will find your account, and here we can find account settings, and those are like profile. This is just manage profiles. This is my main profile. So basically this is one that I'm using, and this is the kids profile. And basically this one is generated automatically. For example, if I want to share my account with someone else, I will need just to give him like my account credentials, like the password and emails or mobile number. And basically, we need just to click on add new. Here, we need just to add the name of the person who wants who you want to share the account with. And of course if like it's a kid, you will need just to enable this one so it can be a kid profile so that the sensitive content will be hidden. And after that you will just enter a name. So for example, I don't know, someone, and save changes, and basically you will have your profile that will be added. If you want like to delete this profile, you can just click on it and remove profile, and just remove profile, and you will have your profile that will be removed. So basically this is how you can share your Prime account uh, in 2024. Thank you for watching and see you next time.